In this question, you have to match the items given in list 1 with those in list 2. Robert May estimated global species diversity to be approximately 7 million, thus highlighting the Earth's vast biodiversity. So A matches with 3. Alexander von Humboldt proposed the species area relationship, stating that species richness increases with habitat area. So B matches with 1. Paul Ehrlich introduced the rivet proper hypothesis, likening species in an ecosystem to rivets in an aeroplane, where losing too many can cause the system to collapse. So C matches with 4. And David Tillman conducted long-term outdoor ecosystem experiment, demonstrating the importance of biodiversity for ecosystem stability and productivity. So D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option D.